Good day class! Welcome once again to the online public school. Ito po yung ating online school para tulungan kayong mga estudyante habang kayo ngayon ay nasa home-based education. Alam niyo ba na merong pag-aaral ng math na walang numero? Oo, pwede tayong mag-aral ng math na walang numero. Ito yung branch ng mathematics na tinatawag nating geometry. Ang geometry ay isang pag-aaral na nagsimula lumang-lumang panahon na, matagal na matagal na. Isa ito sa pinakalumang-lumang klase ng math, no? At halos kasabayan ito ng arithmetic, ng basic arithmetic, no? Ang geometry ay pag-aaral from the two words geo, meaning earth, and metria, ito yung Greek words, na ibig sabihin ay measure. So, parang sinasabi natin na earth measure, no? So, ito ang siyensya o yung branch ng mathematics na nag-aaral o nag-focus ng pag-aaral sa pag-aaral ng mga points, no? Halimbawa, ito ay isang point, ito ay isang location in space or on a plane or on a line o kung saan man siya, no? Basta sinasabi nating point. And then, ang pangalan niyan ay dinedesignate natin ng isang letter na kanyang katabi. For example, this is a point A. Ganyan. And then, geometry also involves the study of lines. So, yung lines ay set of points. Set of points. Ito ay nagiging line. So, infinite set of points. So, ibig sabihin, isang linya na yan ay napakaraming points niyan. Yan. Puro points yan dyan. Yan. Yan. So, dikit-dikit na mga points, nagiging line. So, a line is a set of points. Now, 2 points determine a line. So, if you have 2 points in space, so if I have point A, if I have here point B, and I connect them, that becomes line. So, that becomes line AB, no? So, that becomes line AB. Ganyan. Now, kapag ka nagdagdagan ka ng lines, so ito halimbawa ay, let's say this one is AB, no? At nagkaroon ako ng isa pang line. Okay? Yung dalawang lines na yan will form angles, no? So, yan. Magkakaroon ka ng angles na yan. So, ano yung angle na yan? Yan ay tinatawag nating, yan, halimbawa, this one, and this one. So, nagkaroon ng, oops, sorry. So, this one is angle alpha. Yun yung katawag natin, no? Kung ano yung nomenclature dyan sa... Now, this one, we are using the Greek letter alpha. So, kung ano yung nomenclature dyan sa gitna na yan, we call that angle alpha. Kung masyadong maliit yung angle na na-form ng dalawang lines, like in this case, so the angle is too small. So, we designate using number sa taas. And this intersection here is called the vertex. So, yung kanilang pagtamaan ng dalawang lines is a point, and that point is called the vertex of the angle. So, now this again is same as angle alpha. Okay? So, we learn about points, we learn about lines, and then we learn about angles, and then we learn about shapes. So, ano yung mga shapes? Of course, yung pinaka basic na shape, three lines intersecting one another, tatlong linya na nagbanggaan sa isa't isa to form a shape. This is the simplest and we call that a triangle. So, libawa, ito ay point A, point B, point C. So, we call this triangle ABC. Right? And yan yung pinaka uh, simpleng shape na pinaka-konting number of sides. Kasi kung dalawang linya magfo-form ng angle, so yung tatlong linya magfo-form ng triangle, di ba? Triangle, no? So tatlong anggulo, no? Tatlong sulok, tatlong anggulo, tatsulok ang tawag natin sa Filipino because this has three angles na na-form, right? And then, of course, we have more complex shapes tulad ng apat na sides. Meron na tayong 5 sides. Meron tayong 6 na sides. And so on and so forth. And then, of course, we know that we have the most intriguing, one of the most intriguing, if not the most intriguing shapes is what we call a circle. And this one is differentiated sa ibang geometric shapes. So all these nanang natin na polygons. Poly means many and gonia meaning angles. So many angles. So pag many angles, ibig sabihin many sides din. Okay? So this is all yung pag-aaralan natin sa geometry at mag-enjoy tayo sa kaaral nito because well, we are going to study shapes, not really studying and calculating numbers. But this one will give us a lot of fun because it is a totally uh, parang different dimension ng pag-aaral. Ano? Okay, so this is it for now. Balik-balikan nyo lang yung video to review and see you again soon.